Okay, so basically this apartment is 2 levels. When you walk in, you have the 2 bedrooms. So the first bedroom is gonna be right here. And then if you go outside, you have a balcony, little balcony area, and a shared garden space. And closets over there. Bath. And then this is the other room. Now we're gonna go downstairs. And this is the kitchen / living room. This is the other bathroom. So basically the kitchen is garden level, but the bedrooms are on the ground level. Washer, dryer. And then just like some closet space. And that's it.